Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
MLA ka UDP na Mauplang constituency uba Eugene Lengdo ulakan tu ye samla pule bakin bate yakapor khnang bannom that haba pule kon ulakan tu ru omtang ban pule yakakon Henry Daiban pendon kamru yakasap ka bakidon yagini ki kentien ulakran ha ka je kendo lang ki samla pule khase ha Guwahati Kabalalong ha Karpu South Risau Arhajar Arpoar ha Catholic Church Hall 6 Mile Guwahati Balapanlong da Kakasi Jaintia Students Union Guwahati Hagani kasngi ubakar menshalla ubadai menteri ka sarkar jilla ubadai pet yakatna social welfare ulalong kum ukongsan hagajiya don lang uba baja pingrum MDC Karam Braijer ngam constituency Banshingan hagani ka jialang layadon lang uba Golden Star Suchang u teng shop ki flem khasi u endo unong rwai bat u DJ yong balayo ru ki jing rwai bat jingshan na ki samla pule khasi ki basa ha Guwahati
Ladang don ikwa ya kata katong hoi mengincup jadi bagi puli tangkap kot ru kejingim kejongi ru kawara no ya kejing songnya hoi kumbang yong takadau yong ka life is all about balance dengila bangin benta ya kapor kejongi idan arpsa kenta hakawigas akashisngi denginang berbenta ya kapor kasuk yengi banginya cakmat amarba hisin banginyop hakijing penshoy kalenti kasingkin jongi namata kata kalawai kababingi temu namata lade kalanang kiar bacisin bangila kiar na kalenti nipoy syaga lawai kaba umtikan tengayang hangne ban ngancetu kanalo anong na kung testimony kajing pla hakabai day ba kajing im kajonga tengala he ngalasan hakajing im kajonga nadu bangadang red ngakwa benong utaw nong ilakai football hindray hakajuk kabamenshwa baki kimegi kapa kimpa yakikun kikiti habaya day kakno kakam kabalat na kakam pule kalong KA kaba nomor ba kikun kikime kikpa sorry kiperkat namata kalawai kijong kikun teka pangadang yad nang he nang san nang sedang masuk tu ya kapertai bab KA kajing temu bab KA ke reality hoi ngila berdua yang pertai berok kawai Andai KA kata ke reality kanong ke reality check keba kala banurlong na kamla banurlong tengangit ngadai ngaskem bahang ni kamtam miki samla habang ile kano ke parameter ke bakongsan kadi banong practical kebang isu i po TV kebang isu i ke jenggot ke pakat jongi ni habdak perkat habda sani ba habai dei wa kala banlong lane kamla banlong abangnya ke Jepang ki samla jong gajat penrio migran Jepang ke jengkermen ku pi layo ke jengkeren ki ba sultanat ki jengkeren ki ba aimen sim kamtam ya gajat penrio niki ramba samla ki bla kren akswa nadu i Tribor, nadu i ba Bright Star, nadu i ba sorry paslen wat kumju ini ba bejo tengah ngayang hang di bangakwa ban keranya pi sepang kajing kermen nomor kum ki samla ha kani kajigim kajongi ka ai ka ba ai ben sim yangi kadi kata kajing kermen ya kajing angnut ya kata katong kebangi itmu
not from the same party, we don't belong to the same party, and the best part about him, he take me as his friend, as his brother, and he doesn't look at me as a person who is a challenging person or whatever may be, especially in our career, in a political career, but he take me as a brother. I would like to share with you, with all my friends here, how our friendship are. There are times that the moment when he introduced himself into a political party, NPP, what happened? Chief Minister asked him to go for campaign each and everywhere of part of Meghalaya. He said no to one constituency, and that is to Cleriat constituency. He said, no sir, I'm not going to Cleriat. The reason is that Kermen is my brother. No matter what, I may be in NPP, but not against him. Every household, he will provide all the food materials. He will provide anything. If we do bad things, especially here when we are, in East Candy Hills or in Meghalaya, NGT coal ban. People try to live their livelihood by doing all ways and means. And if they get caught, they said, my government is there to help. That is very, very wrong and totally wrong. I cannot do that. We cannot do that. And in that expectation, what happens when we cannot help them? It hurts them. We all as youth, we have lots of expectation. We expect that our parents will provide us cars, will provide us all the luxurious life we need in life. Like Madu, what you have just said. I used to mention this. Jo yo wanga why? Ile wanga try to reach chikipai ba. Wile pachamo entertain chikipai ba. Nibanga yo tulogo daga wanga entertain chikipai ba. Ngai pikite, do you believe that? I got my salary by entertaining my people. Do you believe that? But that's a fact. I am here to serve. I am here to try to reach out to those people who are in need of us. We all are elected with that thoughts of the people of our constituency, thinking that Mahakarman will be the person to guide us and to be with us when we are in need of him.
Or never penyale kamkai and ray bapin la banyalam yalade kumno bapin penkio yalade yakaying kasem yakashnong katau yakajalahi borokoi naskommen hadu kata-kata banga syakhat sopa hakane ka precious meat namarba ngat yoi ba kata ka jingteli jong ka jat beriu jongi lese ladang idon sejengai nak jela ka jongi dengan sejengai nak jela ka jongi yo iba ka jat beriu ka khamya teli handai dengan poi pa ka snong la jong apo ka stil la jong yo iba ka jat beriu jongi onsen kidon ka jeng ya pat ya pra ka jeng ya tan terlai khamtam ka jing bisni iwei Henry ngayo iba nakanega jingelang jong kaneka seng hasi Chandria Students Union kinlaw kung kata kanusan makumno hamtam hidep pa kajat berin jong ingi bun kiseng balang paper Henry ngiduna ka jingi teli Henry katne piawan sine ban budin ya ka karya ka jong pi nganget pa pipeni ya kata ka example kanuksa baningindon kata ka jingit teli jingyan nanti jong kaneka seng kala no senyang syabun nakamenta ka imlang salang kamtam ya ki parado parasnam ki bajuan syane ka jela asam henry ka kubur ka banga kumu nong ilam jong ka jela ngasgobon penpau syupi baro ba piawan syane lese pijuyosko koi ke kentien bateng teng ki bajulet pulis syabar ki longkum kita ki masih setsam telalet ki ki state ki klumar ki yat ya kata kamot pakim tipshu ya kata ka jingkit kli ka responsibility henry nasgoba kading ka jingkit kli jong pi wei bakat no ki kme ki pa ki jong pi ki treishitom ki kamai kumno bakin penang penstart bakin penpuli ya pi batkumta kadeka nong keba pinhap ai ban siu kelayaki da keba piwanra ya kanam keburam hakano kapil hakano kabenta keba pidon keba pipuli pidi ban warra ya kanam ban kentiu ya kaying